What I've done is this year I have, utilizing Canvas, which has been a major asset this year, I have loaded the student notes for a homework assignment. So students at home, at their own pace, are able to go through and take their notes. Then when they come into class the next day, we have more time to focus on the areas of concern that the students have mentioned that they might struggle with. And what I love is now we have more time dedicated to critically writing and to critically thinking about some of those bigger concepts that students have historically struggled with.
High-yield formative assessment is important because it provides assessment-based feedback to teachers and students alike. The function of this feedback is to help teachers and students make adjustments that will improve students' achievement of intended curricular goals.
Pear Deck is an add-on for Google Slides, and it makes the slide presentation interactive. So it's nice to have, because then the students can, I can say, okay, here's a problem, and I'll throw it on the board, but they can also see it on their screens because they've signed on to the Pear Deck session. And then they can interact with the problem in whatever way they want, whether that's graphing on a graph that I put on there, or working their work out on the slide in some margins, so that they can actually work on the slide. And then I can see their work, all of the work of all the students who are working on it, so I can kind of check how their understandings of the concepts are going.
Pear Deck really helps me stay engaged in the classroom because whenever I answer my questions, it's always on the board.
Teachers providing frequent and ongoing feedback is a significant means of improving achievement in student learning. Effective feedback assists learners to reflect on their own learning and their learning strategies so they can make adjustments to make better progress.
The great thing about constant feedback is if you don't know that you're doing something the wrong way, then you will believe that you're doing it the right way. So you need someone to tell you that it is the wrong way, so you will learn it the right way so that you can better yourself and better whatever you're practicing.